this tinker crate. So I don't know what it is, but we're gonna see together. Ooh, looks like it's a glowing pendulum. So we're going to make this and show you guys how this works. So in this we have the blueprint, obviously we need that to make it. Then we have this books of physics. Then we have this thing. And then we have a whole ton of parts. So we're gonna make it. So we have the pendulum over here. Let's go in the dark room and test the pendulum out. By the way, I forgot to tell you that it has a UV light, which is actually going to make the entire glowing part of the pendulum work. Okay, I'm here in a dark room. We're gonna attach the wire, the last wire, to make it glow. And spin time. I don't know how to spin it. Oh, there we go. It spins. Okay, let's spin more. Ooh, it's spinning. Oh my god, it's making it glow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned some physics about this. And bye!